this coin called Particle Network. It was listed on Binance and get.io and some of the exchanges. If I click on this candlestick, of which you can see that each candlestick here represents 1 day candlestick, you will see that the time this coin was listed was on the 25th of March 2025. What if you bought this coin before it was listed? You would have made at least 3 times or 4 times of your capital. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually buy this coin before it gets listed on exchanges like Binance, get.io and so many. Anytime a coin is being listed on Binance, the percentage of the coin to do well is at least 80 to 90%. Before I continue, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you. You can see the coin here. Particle Network is the coin that we are actually going to talk about, and I'm going to show you how you can buy this coin. So in case you see any opportunity, so in my previous video I talk about how you can actually know the best coin to buy. It is not just buying coin, any IDO project, and you think it all the IDO project that is necessary to buy. No, it's not all of them that is necessary to buy. Some of them are actually scams. You need to do your own research by yourself. And if you want to know how I spot out this kind of opportunity, you need to check on my previous video. I talk about how you can actually know the best coin, the ones that are not scam to buy. So you can actually check on my previous video to see it. If you check on this, you are seeing project, you are seeing type. These projects are the coins that are about to be listed or about to be launched, and this type is are they carrying out IDO projects? Is it IEO project? So if you don't know the meaning of IDO, IEO and ICO, just go and read about it for a proper understanding, because I don't want this video to be too long. I have already explained what is IDO in my previous video, so you should go and check it out. So coming here, you will see price, you will see sell price. So this price is the current price of the coin or the token, while this sell price is the price that decentralized exchanges offers before it gets listed. So this sell price is the price that you could buy the coin when it was not listed. Okay, and this price here is the current price right now, while the sell price is the price that if actually you wanted to buy and hold the coin before it got listed, you would have bought it at this price you are seeing, 0.025, before it got listed at this price, 0.342. so coming here is, you can see the percentage here is 13 times. Let me say you bought this coin at this price and sold it at this price, you would have made 13 times of your capital. That means if you actually bought this coin with 10 USDT or $10, you would have made 10 times of that your capital, which is 136,000. Sorry, 136 USDT. So if actually you bought it with 20 USDT, you would have made 13 times of that your 20 USDT, which is your capital. So that is it, and this is the all-time high. It's just similar, it's the same thing as this ROI, but this one is talking about the all-time high, the level of percentage this coin has reached before it's now reduced. So talking about launchpad here, it is where you can actually buy the coin when it was not listed on major exchanges. Like you can see, they carry out this project on Binance Wallet, in which I'm going to show you how you can actually buy this coin. I have done that on my previous video, but I'm still going to show you here on how you can actually buy this coin on Binance Wallet. And checking the end date, this end date means the time the project is going to end and everything, and it has already ended. So one thing is that if you want to carry out arbitrage like this, you need to always explore the market. Just explore the market to see if there is any opportunity. Then if there is any opportunity, you take it. And I'm going to tell you these things. If you want to engage in IDO project, what you need to do is, if you have $100 to do the arbitrage, don't just invest all the $100 in it, because it is not all the crypto it is not all the cryptocurrency that tends to do well. Some of them actually, at the point of listing, they go down, they even go below the amount you bought them. So you just need to do your own analysis. Well, I will recommend, if you want to do arbitrage like this, you always check out for the one that operates on Binance Wallet, PancakeSwap, Uniswap. They tend to do well. Let's hop into Binance Wallet and show you how you can actually buy this coin. The first thing to do is, if you actually want to buy a coin, or you have explored the market and you have seen opportunity and you actually want to buy the coin, if the project is on PancakeSwap, you go to PancakeSwap and swap the coin. If the project, the IDO, is being carried on Uniswap, you go to Uniswap. But this particular one that I want to show you was carried on by Binance Wallet. So if you want to navigate to your Binance Wallet, either you go to Google Play Store and install Binance Wallet, or you install Binance and you install Binance Exchange, actually, in which the exchange actually has normal exchange and wallet. So this wallet is just like a decentralized exchange to you, in which you are the one that manage your funds by yourself, rather than unlike exchange. Click on wallet here. Once you click on wallet, it's going to pop up like this, and you are going to create an account with the wallet. Okay, so after you create an account, everything is going to pop up like this. So you click on trade. You see this place, you are saying USDT BR. Just leave it there, but make sure that before you go to your Binance Wallet, that you must have funded your account with the amount you actually want to use and carry out this trading or arbitrage. So what you need to do, just leave the interface like this and make sure it's on swap. If you check in and this is not in USDT, or it is on BNB, it is your choice. You can actually use BNB to purchase, you can actually choose to use USDT, but I will use USDT so that I will understand everything easily. You click on this arrow you are seeing there, you type in the name of the coin. Is it particle something, sorry. If I should type on this coin particles, you can see they are showing me a lot of address in a contract address here, a lot of particles network here. So that means that there are the right one and the fake ones. In order to be on a safer side, you come to coinmarketcap.com, and you actually want to see know the real coin here, you check the price. If it is corresponding with the one on exchanges, you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to load up and open the necessary data for you to check anything you want to check. And what we want to check here is the contract address. So this way we are going to check the contract address. Click on there and you can see they are operating on two blockchain, the best blockchain and the BNB smart chain blockchain. Since we are dealing with Binance wallet, we are going to go with BNB smart chain. And you copy this, you go back to your Binance wallet. This time, this is what you are going to do. You clear everything here, paste in the wallet. Once you paste in the contract address here, the coin itself is actually going to load up for you to know the right one. Once you paste in the contract address, the coin itself is going to load up. The main coin is going to load up. Anytime there is a new coin, sometimes it will get to coin market cap before crypto ram, or sometimes crypto ram before coin market cap, but you can join the two to make sure you carry out a proper analysis. One USDT is equivalent to 2.92 watt of particles network. But I don't mean you bought this coin before now, you have made tons of profit. If you want to buy it now, you are going to buy it at the current market price, which is you are not going to make profit for now. So but let's move to Binance to show you what I'm actually talking about. The sell price of this coin earlier was 0.025. Let's say you bought it with 10 USDT with 10 USDT and you sold it at this price, you would have made 135 USDT, and you minus your capital, which was 10 USDT, and you will be left with 125 USDT. That is a profit. Let's say you purchase it with 20 USDT at this initial price, which was 0.25. Okay, if this initial price, which was the sell price on crypto ram, 0.025, and you bought it with 20 USDT, you would have gotten 800 particles network, and you sold it at this current market price, you would have made 270 USDT. If you minus your 20 USDT as your capital, you will be left with 250 USDT. So this is actually profitable, guys. This is actually profitable. Trust me, if I say something is profitable, it's profitable. One thing that is killing some of us is we want to be making money every day on crypto space. It's not like that. You can make money today, tomorrow there's no opportunity, next tomorrow there's no opportunity. But when there is opportunity, you tend to make a huge amount of money. Okay, so and I want to say this again. If you want to carry out this arbitrage like this, let's say you have 100 USDT, split that 100 USDT into 10. So anytime you find opportunity like this, you invest 10. That is 10% of 100 USDT. Every time you see opportunity like this, you invest 10% of the 100 USDT. 10%, 10%, 10%. Anytime you see opportunity, there is no how you invest out of that 10 times. You at least 4 or 6 will definitely work for you, make profit. So if you get any value from this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and share the video, give it a thumbs up.